Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps on how to get more keys and hoverboards in Subway Surfers. So without any further ado, let's get started. How to get more keys. Collect during runs. Occasionally keys appear floating during gameplay. Stay alert to collect them. Complete achievements. Tap on the missions button. Completing specific tasks listed here can reward you with keys. To collect, just tap on the Collect Award button. Mystery Boxes. While rare, keys can be found in mystery boxes obtained through gameplay or by watching ads. You can also buy it in-store. Tap on Shop button, then scroll down. Here you can buy mystery box by spending 500 coins. Tap on it to buy. Watch ads. Watching ads can reward you with keys. Tap on the Watch Video button. After you finish watching the video, you will be able to gain certain number of keys. Now, how to get more hoverboards? Purchase with coins. Visit the in-game shop to buy hoverboards using coins collected during gameplay. Tap on Shop button. Now scroll down. Here you can buy 12 hoverboards for 2500 coins. So if you have enough coins, tap on it to buy. Mystery Boxes. Hoverboards can occasionally be found in mystery boxes, so open as much as mystery boxes that you can. Special Events. Participate in limited time events where unique hoverboards may be available as rewards. And that's how you can get more keys and hoverboards in Subway Surfers.